In this video lesson, you'll discover how to paint in watercolor using the wet on dry alla prima painting technique.
Alla prima is an Italian term which means from the first attempt. It is a fast and efficient way of making a painting. When it comes to painting in watercolor, there is no one strict rule of how to use the alla prima technique. An artist may start with the light areas of an artwork and then continue to darker tonal values. It is also possible to develop the whole artwork simultaneously, painting its different areas in quick succession without finishing any particular places before others. Because I am painting just one small object, an apple, it is also totally acceptable to develop the artwork, painting it bit by bit in the full strength, gradually expanding the painted area. As I move from one part of the apple to another, I have to mix many different colors and apply very different tones from light to dark, which lie quite close to each other on the apple. This particular painting technique reminds me of an old art joke. Painting great artworks is so easy. All you need to do is just take the right color and put it in the right place. This is all that I need to tell you about the wet on dry alla prima painting technique. Of course, there is so much more than what this joke actually tells. Alla prima is the most advanced technique. Above all, it demands proficient painting skills, good control of paint flow, ability to simultaneously judge tonal values and colors, good knowledge of art materials, and planning the sequence of painting steps well in advance. Painting wet on dry alla prima has its advantages because it does not require wetting the whole surface of watercolor paper before starting an artwork.